I want to show you something beautiful. So this is a fan for the ceiling. I looked for one of these forever. I need something above my island. So there's absolutely no torque steer on it, which is absolutely amazing. It has multiple light modes. I'm going to have it installed today, but I just want to show you how cool this thing is. It's super light. You can pick it up. Look, you can pick it up with one hand. So it's super light. It comes with all the things that you need, including a remote. And then it has different temperatures for the light. That's just awesome. Exactly what I needed. And it has an on-off button, of course, for the light. And then you could change the how much light you're gonna have. So you could dim it, or you could have more light. It depends of how much light you need in that particular room. So you could put it into this like dim mode for like night light. Oh, it's awesome. I love this thing already, and I haven't even installed it yet. So let's put it on. Let's install it.
Installation is very easy. You have this little bracket, so you're going to install this one up there where you remove the old light, and then the new light goes on this. With that bracket installed, this has a little string over here. You can attach it so it will work easier. So this goes and just clips here. There you go. And now you just have a couple of screws here on the side. Oh yeah, very, very modern looking. So this is a very, very modern looking light. I really like it. And again, all the features work off this remote. So you have the on and off button. So you have the on and off. And then you have, you could change the type of a light that you have. So more yellow or more white. That's also a nice feature. You could change the speed of the fan. Very quiet. This is maximum speed, very, very quiet. And have the light off. So, and you could have it in forward or reverse. So you have the winter or summer. So in winter, you put it in reverse. So that way it circulates the air in the room. So it keeps the room a lot more warmer. And in summer, then you can put it so it blows the air on you. And when you're working in the kitchen, in front of the stove, this is perfect because this is where my stove is, and you get this nice cold air over you. So this is pretty awesome. I'm super excited about this. Installation was really, really easy. Everything you need is in the box, including a holder for the remote, so you could put it somewhere where you're always going to remember, so you have it. And obviously you have the little manual that comes with it, and it does work with Tuya, which I use, and then you can control it with Google and other things like those. So if your hands are dirty in the kitchen and you have a lot of work to do, you could just tell it to turn it on and off, and I'm gonna program that next. So that's gonna be in my next video, and thanks for watching.